First up on this program, foreign direct investment in China rose more than expected in January. That, of course, is a sign that confidence in the world's second largest economy remains firm, even as growth cools. Now, China's outbound direct investment also expanded. Michelle Xing with our top story.
China attracted $10.7 billion in foreign direct investment in January. The rise was a 16% increase from a year earlier and beat expectations of a 2.5% increase. The majority of the new investment, around $6.3 billion, went into China's services industry. That number increased close to 60% from the same period last year, while investment in manufacturing fell more than 20%.
China's economic reforms and opening up of the services sector helped boost the confidence of foreign investors. Strong domestic demand, increasing competitiveness in human capital, and complete production line all indicate that China has strong advantages for investors. Sharp increases in the services sector also help push up the total FDI.
Investments from 10 Asian countries and regions rose 22% to $9.5 billion in January. Investment from the United States increased 35% to nearly $370 million, while funds from the European Union fell 41% to about $480 million. The investment comes even as China's economy shows signs of slowing from the stellar growth rates of years past, as the government looks to shift emphasis to structural reforms.
The double-digit growth in FDI in January answered the question of whether China's investment environment remains favorable, as well as whether foreign investors are still confident in investing in China. We expect foreign direct investment to maintain sound momentum this year.
The data also shows that more Chinese companies are expanding abroad. Outbound investment in January was $7.23 billion, up 47.2% from a year earlier. The rise in outbound FDI in January was led by a 500% jump in investment in Japan and 281% in Russia. Chinese firms have been quickening the pace of overseas purchases in recent years, with their footprint expanding from Asia to Africa and Europe. Michelle Xing, CCTV, Beijing.